Do you remember those large slabs that we craned in recently? Well, now they're installed in this beautiful Japanese condo renovation that we've got taking place. You can see behind me here, we've got this beautiful millwork that we're currently installing for the kitchen here. Over towards the living space, we're going to have a lovely large ethanol fireplace with some wood millwork surrounds coming into the lounge relaxation area here. A dining space with an office is going to be in here for our client. And coming through here, we're going to have these Japanese style doors that open up into a lovely conservatory relaxation area. Coming through to the bedroom area of this condo, we've got a laundry off to my right. The guest bedroom with bathroom is through there. And again, continuing the beautiful Japanese theme we've got with this condo renovation, the master bedroom here flows straight through into the bathroom here. We have taken some onyx stone as well as reinvigorating a 60s style with this Japanese lathe style here, which is really coming out beautifully. We're going to have a large Japanese round tub in this space here, and we're continuing with the slab flooring up the sides of the walls here in places as well. And finally, a walk-in shower here.